2, 1. Front enough. Listen, come back. He cleared crowd, come back. We killed one, it's fine. Hold now. Listen. Step more south here. Come to me. Follow me. Come south here.
Be careful.
Yo, careful. Wait. Careful. Kill them ups. Careful front line. Watch the front line. Okay, kill them ups. They probably have range bombs to it. Okay.
31% now, Drew.
Okay. They're all here now. Listen. Kill them ups.
Heal the front, please.
Heal front line. Careful, okay, careful. Do not turn off your brains, okay? Listen. Come careful. Fake. Kill them ups. Finish them ups. Come southeast more. And then come back north.
Be careful, healer.
Come back north. North more. And look southwest deep. Walk. Deep southwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep southwest now on me. And then come back. Careful northwest. Come back. Listen, ready defenses. Listen, come back. You listen. Careful my backline. Listen. They're gonna engage on us, okay? Listen, keep coming northeast. Defense now. Okay, good shit. Listen, come back. Come back, boys. Stop staying in this damn choke. Come back. And then come southeast. Come south now.
Drew, biyak.
Walk west. Listen, look deep, up the choke, northwest, deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch out, northwest, watch out. Good shit, listen. Finish the kill inside. Come back southeast. Ready defense. Listen, push us out. Kill the guys inside now. Listen, you're gonna wipe these dogs. Next engage. Listen. Hold now. Kill the guys inside first. Listen. Look north of the tower. 5. North of the tower. 3, 2. North of the tower. 2, 1. North of the tower now. North of the tower now. Come back southeast. Spread it. Ready defenses on top of you. Come southeast. Defense it now. Heals, good heals. Keep healing. Don't forget to heal. Listen, you can sustain that. Good fucking supports, boys. Hold now. Hold and spread. Come more southeast, boys. Come more southeast. Do not loot. Come more southeast. Listen, come more southeast. Hold. Look north now. Look northwest now. Northwest deep. 5. West of the tower. 4, 3, 2, 1. West of the tower now. South of the tower. Hit this. Kill us all. Listen, ready defense. Heal out. Listen, heal through. Defense backline. Heals. Keep healing. Kill the guys inside now. Kill the guys inside now. Yo, come southeast more. Careful with the mage.
Crazy just pushing west side.
Listen. Come north. Okay, come south. Walk south, boys. Walk south here. Listen, look at me. Come south here. Walk south here. And look northwest now. On the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage now. Smash these fucking dogs. Listen, smash them all. Hold now. Listen. Kill the mage. Listen, come back first. Go. We just engage on the mage. Okay?
Need heal.
Revive niya si Vicario.
Revive guys. Bomb here. Revive man. Listen, engage on the mage. 3, 2, 1. Engage on the mage. And then come back. Just step back. Someone revive bomb me. Listen, kill the mage, Coco. I think no need to kill the mage, right? I can just claim.
No,
Yeah,
kill mage.
Kill Coco. Kill mage, Coco.
Heal go low. No, please. Heal through. Heal through,
please.
Grab road.
Hello, look at the mage, yeah? We look at the mage.
Boys, leave the mage, boys. Leave the mage. My boys, leave the mage. My boys, leave the mage.
I think that we should cover the people.
I got the Tereto. Mana. Listen, come satos. Listen, Coco, let's go launch on the other tier 2. They're gonna defend that. Listen, does someone have a banner? Coco, do you have a banner? Okay. You put banner. We launch on the next on the other tier. Come sa to us.
Holy shit, that bomb squad. One top, man.
That's my boy Doily, bro. That's Akusi Doily, bro.
That's tech, bro. Tech
That's the tech, bro. That's the tech, bro.
What you win? This is long fight, bro.
No surprise.
You baiting.
Yeah.
When I hear
Why
that
we need-
biak, oh dude, you know it's over.
Yeah, biak means yeah. Too good, bro.
Hold.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, they're defending here now, bro.
Okay, listen, Coco, they're defending here. Come, regroup. Listen, they're gonna have one map brigade this one here.
No problem.
Dismount with me, dismount and walk with me. Just dismount and walk with me. Kill the mobs here. Come. Kill the mobs here. Kill the enigmatic. QW only, do not use E's.
Scout, please. Battle mount. Scout and give information, please.
Kill the mobs. Walks at us now. Looks at us now. Come northwest more. Listen, find me. Listen.
26.
Come north more. And look south now. 5, deep. 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep now. And then come back. Engage. Come back.
Can we kill them off?
Kidnap the snake. Yo, listen, come back. Ready defensive front line. Kill the mobs inside.
I gotta have chances on the base.
Kill the mobs inside first. Kill the mobs inside first. Kill the mobs. Listen. Okay, it's okay. Listen, kill the mobs first. Listen, there's so tanks inside. Coco, I need to kill mobs. Okay. Hold. Kill the mobs first. Listen. Look on the front end now. Look deep south. 5, 4, 3, 2. Deep south now. Listen, kill this all. Kill all of them. Listen. Kill the tanks inside of you. Hold now. Listen, defense out. Listen, do not go south, my guys. Listen, come here. Come north here. Yo, kidnap these tanks inside us. Listen, kill this tank inside us. Listen, now look southwest now. Listen. Walk southwest. Walk southwest. Deep. 5, deep southwest. 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep southwest now. Kill them all. Go northwest and kill northwest. Kill them all. Kill all of them. Kill all of this inside of you. Kill them all. Listen, kill them all.
There's still a lot in the inside the match.
Yeah. Listen, look. Listen. Spread. Careful. Spread. Look east now. Ready, east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now on me. Good kills. Finish them off. Listen. Get away from the mage. Leave the mage. Come southwest. Leave the mage. Come southwest. Listen, kill the guys inside of you. Pull anyone into you and kill them. Listen. Go southwest. Look southwest. Kill the guys southwest.
They try to running southwest.
Listen.
On mapping.
Okay.
Yeah,
Come southeast.
lot here.
Come southeast.
They're going in the middle now.
Southeast. Look in the mage now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Hit the middle. Kill them all in the middle. Kill them all in the middle. Kill all these dogs. Hold on. Listen. Kill the mage, Coco. Let's kill the mage. Yo, defense. Listen, everybody come into the mage. Drop Judy's. Drop everything. Drop everything on the mage. Coco launch.
We can also launch too if you.
Yeah, I'm launching right now.
Almost 31. No. Wait, this doesn't matter.
Huh? Yeah, I launch. Yes, good shit, boys. So fucking. You guys played really well. So very good defensives. DPS was on point. Good shit. Let's see. Do you want to launch Steppy as well, Coco? What do you want? What do you think?
I'll leave
Yeah, I
me
didn't
if
launch.
you
What
want
the fuck?
later. It's Mammoth map.
Levy?
Yeah, Levy. I mean Steppy is Mammoth map also.